My name is Holly Gray, and this is Caleigh Gray, and we're from Dallas, Texas. Caleigh driving her chair outside has a lot of obstacles, so we constantly watch Caleigh around that area. The first time we heard about LUCI, we heard about it from our ATP, and she was really excited because she had been to a training and thought of Caleigh right away. We thought that LUCI would be good for Caleigh because we were excited about the independence for her. Instead of somebody being right on her side to lift her hand off the switch or the joystick, giving her that independence and that time to stop whenever she needs to. We were almost to the point of giving up on chair driving and that independence.
I have worked with Caleigh on and off for the last 13 years. With LUCI, she is protected to where she can just explore on her own, totally independent, and just be a 13-year-old girl in her own home.
As a parent, I think that it's really important for other parents to know that it is still a possibility as far as independence goes. Before, with the LUCI, the power chair was collecting dust. Our cat used it as a cat bed, and Caleigh hardly ever asked to use it. Since the LUCI, Caleigh uses it multiple times a day. She'll drive around, and it gives her the independence that she didn't really have before to move around her own space. After spending time with Caleigh driving her chair over the last couple of months, we would definitely recommend the LUCI to anybody that uses a power chair. I can think of a handful of Caleigh's friends that their chairs are in the garage.
Yes.
Gifts? You want to give them as gifts? I don't know if we can do that.